Hello everyone and welcome to FNX Educate. This video is a step-by-step guide on setting React in Visual Studio Code. Whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick refresher, we have got you covered. So let's start. Now it's time to create a React app. So open the terminal in VS Code by pressing Ctrl plus tilde like this. And now just run this command that which is I am typing in the terminal, that is npm create vite @latest and press enter. This command will scaffold a fully functional React app for you. And now as it is asking for a project name, so just give it as React demo and press enter, and leave the package name and other things as it is. And as we are setting up our React framework, so just go down and select React with JavaScript. So now this process might take some time. So first we have to install our dependency for npm, so just type npm I and wait for some time. Just a second, we first need to change our directory to cd and the directory. So now just type npm I. This process might take a few minutes as it installs all the necessary dependencies. So once your app is ready, navigate to the project folder and type the command of npm run dev to just run your project like this and wait for some time. So after typing this npm run dev command, this will launch the React app in your default browser. So just we have to click on the link and open it. So congratulations, you have successfully set up your React in VS Code. Now you can start editing the app.js file to create something amazing. So here is the app.js file in src folder. Now let's see a little bit, like I'm just editing a one single component for you, so you can get an idea of that. For that I'm erasing all the components and just typing hello world, and you can see here we get the result. So that's it for the React installation, and you are all set to start your React journey in Visual Studio Code. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. Happy coding and see you in next one. Thank you.